Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Jamaica Football Federation President Michael Ricketts will know in June of next year how much it will cost him in damages following a default judgment against him in a defamation case. According to court documents obtained by TVJ Sports, the JFF boss used derogatory language in reference to his former challenger for the St. Catherine FA presidency. More in this report. After failing to contest the charges laid against him in a defamation case filed before the Supreme Court on May 8, 2017, JFF President Michael Ricketts could end up paying a huge sum to the claimant Ainsley Lowe, who won a default judgment on September 8, 2017. Ricketts is now waiting for the final hearing for a case that has been in the court for over 3 years to come to an end on June 8, 2021. It all started when Lowe challenged Ricketts for the post of president of the Clarendon FA in 2016. Lowe had claimed the election was run unconstitutionally and should have been declared null and void. Then in a radio interview on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill, Ricketts made this comment about Lowe.
Everywhere in Clarendon I turn, I hear about this man's unacceptable because I had to speak to him on certain issues that he took offense to, that relates to football and relates to him wanting now to wage a war against me.
It was then that Lowe took the matter to court seeking damages for libel, including exemplary and aggravated damages, also for interest, attorney's costs, and other costs. According to the court documents, the claimant believed that in the Jamaican climate, Ricketts' words were particularly egregious and dangerous and could not only result in him being ostracized but physically harmed. When contacted by TVJ Sports, both Ricketts and Lowe declined to comment on the matter. Given FIFA's statutes which deal with non-discrimination, equality and neutrality, TVJ Sports sought the opinion of a former JFF president, Tony James, who described the incident as unfortunate.
FIFA members and leadership are not permitted to discriminate against a private person or a group on the basis of race, color, sexual orientation, and I'm paraphrasing this. And it's strictly prohibited, and it is punishable by suspension or expulsion.
A default judgment means the defendant, Ricketts, filed no defense. It then means that judgment is entered for the claimant, Lowe, for damages to be assessed by the court. Both parties also went to mediation, but the matter was not resolved. And just to correct the lead into that report, it of course should be the Clarendon FA presidency.